Hello and welcome to Dubai Trains. And today we are not going to ballast. Let's have a look after the intro. This video is made possible by the Dubai Trains Patreons. Check how you can become a member to unlock extra content. I get a lot of comments, remarks, and compliments on the track work and the fact that it's not ballasted and it looks to a lot of people okay/good. So the first $1 billion question is, why would you do that? Well, I did it because I knew that this was all going to be temporary track work, and I wanted to be able to take it out without damaging it, so I can reuse it fairly easily. So that's the main reason for myself, because I actually really want to ballast my track right now. That's a weird thing to say. I have a craving to ballast track, but anyways, I do. I want to go more practical. I want to definitely ballast my track in the next layout. But for now, I think it was a good bet. I can reuse all my 30-something turnouts and most of the track work. And definitely, if you're not sure that your layout you're building is going to be your dream layout, or if you want to move your house soon, or if you already know like this is going to be an experimental layout like this one is that I have, then it is definitely the way to go, I think. Unless you don't care and you just want to buy everything again, or you want to pluck all the ballast off of your track work and then reuse it, that's possible. So guys, to answer some of the viewer questions, all I did really is I painted a strip just a bit wider than the track with burnt umber. I got these jars, they were on sale. The cheapest one I could get for what is it, almost half a liter, and I just painted it all before I laid the track. That's all I did. In hindsight, I got lucky. I mean, the tip I would give is to choose a color that's as close to the ties as you can. So burnt umber really turned out to be a good choice for that. I have some other sections, like you can see here. Let me move this derailleur, where I chose a different color. I just went for gray, but to be honest, you can zoom in on that. To be honest, I don't think this is a nice look. Did that just to create some variety. So this is a spur for this industry. So I thought, oh, one day they might have, made it later in different time periods, so it's a different color, ballast that you end up trying to simulate. But it's I don't know, I don't like it that much. I think this one flows well and blends in nicely. I guess you could also put it on cork and then paint the cork in the burnt umber, and then put the track work on that. Now, if you want a quick recap how I build the construction of my layout, check here the video on the left. And if you want to know how I design my layout and how I operate it, check the video on the right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.